Looking to explore the best water activities in Larnaca? From exciting water sports like surfing and jet skiing to peaceful boat tours, Larnaca offers something for every adventurer. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, enjoy unforgettable experiences on the water. Larnaca Zenobia Rec Private Guided Dive. An experienced diving instructor accompanies you on your introductory dive and provides you with initial insights into the allure of scuba diving. You will gain familiarity with the diving gear, learn the hand signals used for communication, and experience the sensation of weightlessness beneath the surface under their guidance. During your adventure dive, you will board a vessel bound for the sunken ship. Marvel at its immense dimensions. Explore the numerous doors and windows, staircases, and the captain's bridge. Schools of fish, such as barracuda and turtles, abound throughout the environment. You have likely witnessed depictions of the underwater realm through films or documentaries aired on television. However, experiencing it firsthand, especially as a live 3D film, is nothing short of extraordinary. Participation is open to individuals aged 18 years or older. While previous diving experience is not mandatory, proficiency in swimming is advantageous. A declaration outlining your fitness and adherence to the diving rules is required before embarking on your journey. Would you seek out a truly unique activity or offer a remarkable gift that showcases exceptional care? This trial dive represents the ideal opportunity to immerse yourself in what promises to be a truly unforgettable experience. Relaxing cruise at Larnaca Bay. Escape into a tranquil and adventurous world aboard our relaxing cruise. Departing from the picturesque Larnaca Marina, guests will embark upon a voyage filled with memorable experiences and awe-inspiring vistas. Upon arrival, enjoy a serene fishing expedition, where anglers can indulge in catching their desired catch with the assistance of supplied equipment. Alternatively, non-fishing enthusiasts may choose to relax on the deck, enjoying the warm sun, taking refreshing swims, or exploring the underwater realm with snorkeling gear at hand. Next, visit the legendary Zenobia shipwreck, a Swedish cargo ferry that rests beneath the waves since 1980. This captivating site offers snorkelers the opportunity to immerse themselves in the rich history and diverse marine life surrounding this remarkable wreck. Throughout our journey, admire the scenic beauty of the western coastlines of Larnaca, which provides ideal vantage points for capturing breathtaking photos. A subsequent stop allows for additional swimming and snorkeling activities, offering even more immersion in the clear Mediterranean waters. Indulge in a delectable Cypriot buffet prepared with locally sourced ingredients, featuring an assortment of appetizers, main courses, and scrumptious Cypriot barbecue. Additionally, guests have the option to partake in freshly caught fish prepared by the crew, enhancing their dining experience with a personalized touch. The relaxing cruise combines relaxation and exploration seamlessly, creating an unforgettable boating adventure. Perfect for families, friends, or solo travelers alike, this cruise guarantees a delightful experience. Reserve your spot today and let the relaxing cruise transform your vacation into a memory of unparalleled bliss and excitement. Please keep in mind that these trips are dependent on weather conditions and the captain's discretion. Larnaca. Sunset cruise with a glass of wine. Embark on a captivating sunset cruise at Larnaca, where the enchanting glow of the setting sun awaits. Our vessel glides through the serene waters of the Mediterranean, offering unparalleled views and magical moments along the picturesque coastline. Upon boarding, relax in comfort with a chilled glass of wine and soothing music playing softly around you. Enjoy the gentle sea breeze while we navigate towards Mackenzie Beach, where you can enjoy a refreshing swim before disembarking after 30 minutes. As the sun dips below the horizon, watch the sky transform into a masterpiece of colors, painting the seascape with hues of gold, orange, and pink. Witness the sea come alive under the warm light, reflecting the beauty of nature in a mesmerizing display. This enchanting cruise provides an ideal opportunity to unwind and reconnect with loved ones, amidst the calmness of the moment. Perfect for both romantic evenings and cherished gatherings, our sunset cruise promises an unforgettable experience.